Motivation in Quarantine 2020. Everything had changed. The timetable, the working mechanism, the education system, and whatnot, while the world is trying to cope up with the rising infections. And the death toll due to COVID-19, lockdown announced in different phases, has affected all sections of society at various levels. Now, life had changed, and it's hard to assert that everything will be alright. Yes, it's hard to believe that sun will rise again. But guess what? Sun will rise again, destroying the darkest night. It's hard to stay at home others in place and feel isolated from the world. Being stuck in one place has made me realize that we've spent years rushing through life, pressuring ourselves to get the right job and attend the right events. It's hard to stuck in one place and do nothing except being lazy, sad, and full of self-pity. If the sun had felt the same thing and had done nothing, do you think we could have again felt the warmth of the sunrise? Have you seen the trees in the autumn? If the trees have lost its hope and hadn't waited for the better future, it wouldn't have again covered with beautiful leaves on it. There's a saying, what hurts you today makes you stronger tomorrow. The COVID-19 situation has offered a rare opportunity to reflect on our lives and potentially to reset them. It has been really hard to be productive and focused on positivity. Life is full of choices between positivity and negativity, living in despair or living the hopeful life. The COVID-19 has challenged us to be more focused on productivity and hopeful life. In order to carry a positive action, we must develop here a positive vision. Once you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you will start having the positive results. Let's put it this way. Quarantine had changed us and it's not all bad. Quarantine has allowed us to experiment with new habits and new lifestyle. And let's keep some of these things going, even in post-lockdown period. The purpose of life is to live and live without regrets. In the quarantine situation, let's make more out of it. There are a lot of things we can achieve in this situation. Experimenting with new habits and trying to find out the purpose of life. Slowing down and putting less pressure on ourselves and reflect on our thoughts. Prioritizing family and friends, just tell them how you feel about them. Doing what you love, it might be growing herbs, cooking, baking, eating healthy food, spending more time in nature. If possible, working from home and being more creative. This situation has offered us to be more creative in whatever we think and do. Creativity means a state of mind, fragrance of individual freedom. It can happen anywhere and anytime. Let's be more creative in this lockdown situation.